Web widget. You can create a web widget snippet to integrate WhatsApp chat functionality directly into your website. Follow the steps below. Provide the following details. WhatsApp phone number. Enter the number you want to connect with the widget. Header text. The main title displayed at the top of the widget. Header subtext. A short description or tagline under the header. Widget text. The welcome message shown inside the widget body. Button text. The call to action text on the widget button, example, chat now. Widget type. Choose the type of widget, example, floating button, pop-up, etc. Input field placeholder. Text displayed inside the input box before the user types, example, type your message. Save the widget. Once all the fields are completed, click on Save. After saving, an embedded widget code will be generated. Share this code with your website developer